Today's topic is least common multiple, that's LCM. Exercise 3H is based on this topic. Please have a look. Firstly, we will again try to understand what is the LCM, that's the least common multiple. You know what are multiples? Let's suppose you have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 LCM you have to find. So firstly, what is LCM? Firstly, I want to explain you again. Although we have done in 4th and 5th class, but still we will recall. Please find out all the multiples of 4 and 6. Multiples there's no and, but at least 4 5 multiples you can find. I told you multiples means table. So please read the table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, so. Similarly, please read the table of 6 also. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so. Correct? These are the multiples. Multiples means you have. Now LCM as a name indicating least common multiple. Common multiple. So please find out which is a common multiple. Is there anyone? 6 is not there? Yeah. 12. The 12 is the first multiple to be common between them. That is called as LCM. This is a least common. Common means coming in both the numbers, in both the tables. That's 12. This is called as a least common multiples. Now next method, this is a time taking method. So second method is your prime factorization method, as you know. Find out the factors of 4 and 6 separately. It is going to give you 2 2s, 2 1s, correct? 2 3s, 3 1s. Now I told you in my last class how to write it in the exponent form. Do you remember that? Power form. So here the power multiples can be written as 2 to the power 2. Here it can be written as 2 to the power 1 only. When nothing is there, it's obvious, and 2, because both the prime numbers are 1s only. Please write down 4 multiples 2 to the power, 6 multiples 2 and 3. Now for finding the LCM, what you have to do? You find out the base first. The first prime factor is 2. So which one is having the highest power, the greatest power? Obviously so you will select this. Between, it's a common one, so you will select that base with the greatest power. Remember in HCF we were selecting that base with the smallest power, but in LCM we are selecting that base which greatest power. This is the difference between HCF and LCM. And which is the next 3 is the individual one. So 2 2s are, please expand it. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. The same answer you got it. Thank you.